Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mark and welcome to Epic Confections. If you are new here, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Y'all, don't judge my hair. I just got out of the shower. Didn't have time to like blow dry it and all that shit. I'm going for the like 90s grunge look. How do you like it? Alanis Morissette, you know, 90s. So today is a special day because it's James's birthday. Everybody say happy birthday, James! Happy birthday, James! Well, at least two of you did. So again, I ask him every year what kind of cake he wants for his birthday. Last year he just said ice cream. And this year he just said brownie. So that's what I did. I made him an epic brownie caramel cake right here, and I'll show you all how to do it. Let's get started.
Hey guys, my name is Jessica Mendoza. I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and you're watching Epic Confections. Let's do it!
So I started out with 4 7-inch round chocolate cakes, and here I'm just leveling them out, and I'll be stacking them up and then filling them with a beautiful fudge filling. So just take a look at that fudge. Oh my god, it's so good. It's delectable. Anyway, the recipe is in the description below if you'd like to make some fudge filling for yourself. And just putting a little bit of fudge on my cake board so that the cake will stick. And there we have it. Time to decorate. So just taking my cheater bag, I filled it with a chocolate buttercream and just icing the entire cake with it. And then I'm starting to smooth it out. So I started from the top and I'm just working my way towards the sides, holding my spatula straight up and down and kind of letting the turntable do the work for me, bringing in all that excess buttercream from the top until I'm happy with how it looks. So here I just took some plain rainbow sprinkles. Well, I guess they're not plain because they're rainbow. But anyway, I'm just throwing them randomly on the side of my cake. And I'm taking my hot spatula and I'm just gingerly pushing them into the buttercream because you do want them to be seen. And I actually repeated this process twice. And then just picking up my entire cake, holding it over my sprinkle bowl, and I'm just applying the sprinkles at the very bottom of the entire cake. Next, I just filled a disposable piping bag with some amazing caramel, and I'm just doing a drip. Look at that. Oh my god. So I'm just applying this drip all the way around the cake. And then I took some chocolate in a disposable bag, and I'm also doing the drip effect. I'm kind of going in between the caramel drips, and look at that effect. It's so chocolatey and caramelly. I'm drooling, literally drooling. Next I picked up some of these amazing brownies from Mariposa Market. I'm just gonna chop them up and put them all on top of my cake. Next, just taking my chocolate and caramel and just drizzling it all on top of the cake. Look at that. It is a show-stopping cake. I'm so hungry. So here it is, guys. Here is James's birthday cake, a chocolate brownie caramel cake. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video, and I will see all y'all next week.